Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a teacher and looking to craft a perfect resume, you are at the right place. Today we are going to walk you through how to structure and format your resume to make it stand out. Whether you are just starting out or looking to make a change, this guide will definitely help you to showcase your skills and experiences effectively. In this video, we are going to discuss the important sections of the teacher resume and how you can format them really easy. And next we're gonna discuss the tips to make your resume as per job description. And last but not the least, we will also see the example that we're going to show you how you can copy the same example, the same template, and just edit it with your experiences and download it for free. Let's get started. So the very first topic is what all sections should you put in a teacher resume and how you should format them. To start with, the first section that you need to put in your teacher resume is the professional objective. It's a brief statement at the top of your resume that highlights your key qualifications and what you bring to the table. Keep it concise, around 3 to 4 sentences, and focus on only your teacher experience and the educational background and any special skills or achievements that you really want to highlight. Now let's deep dive into the next very important section of a teacher resume, which is work experience section. Here you need to list all your previous jobs in a reverse chronological order. For each position, include the job title, the school name and location, and dates of your employment. And make sure to write your work experience in the bullet points, as bullet points describes your responsibilities and achievements effectively. Last but not the least, try to focus on the quantifiable results and specific accomplishments, as it helps the recruiter to shortlist your resume better. Next, let's dive into the next section of the resume, which is awards and certifications. This section is crucial for highlighting your personal development and recognition. List any of the teaching awards, honors, or relevant certifications, as it helps the recruiter to decide for you that you are really up to date in your career. Next comes in the another important section of the resume, which is the skills section. Include any of the technical skills that you hold as a teacher. I know from the teacher perspective, it is really difficult to have any kind of technical skills, but try to highlight any of the technical skills that you hold, such as Google Classroom, Microsoft Office, Smartboard technology, etc. Next, the most important point that I want to tell you is keep your resume in a single page. More the concise your resume will be, better there will be the chances that it will be getting shortlisted by the recruiter. Next comes in the most important part of this video, that is how you can tailor your resume as per the job description. So tailoring your resume to the job description is really essential. Look for the keywords in the job posting and try to incorporate them into your resume, such as in this job description, as we can see here, we have highlighted, let's see, the kindergarten readiness in our resume and the STEM concepts, which is a good skill to have. We have highlighted in our resume curriculum development, we have highlighted in our resume. So try to highlight such skills in your resume. Now everyone is waiting for this last section. So this is how you can create the same example that I have taken and download it for free. So simply go on to that link that I have shared in the pinned comment and edit the same resume in our builder, which is the Insta resume builder, and build your resume as per your qualifications, and you are done. Really, you can download this resume for free. And now just subscribe to our channel and keep watching for more videos. Let us make any of the videos as per your job profession. Please comment your profession. We'll definitely create the formatting tips video for you. Thank you for watching this video.